Dude, what's going on? Fire alarm?
What's going on, guys? It's Tony Sauce here, and in this video I have a pretty fire one, probably the most chaotic game I've played in since returning to hockey. We're about like a month into returning to hockey, so you know, I'm starting to get my legs back. The hands are still a little cheeks. Basically, the fire alarm went off in the middle of the game. It was pretty insane. We didn't like evacuate the building or anything because, you know, hockey is life, even if it means burning to death. I kind of feel bad for the other team's goalie because the fire alarm was literally going off right behind him, so it was super hard for him to focus. He also isn't even a real goalie. He's a forward who is playing goalie because I guess this team's goalie just like couldn't show or whatever. So he got lit up, not gonna lie. We scored like 7 goals in the first 5 minutes. I feel pretty bad. I'm sorry, brother. You're still a legend. I don't think you're Swiss cheese. In this video, the sticks I used were the Vapor X5 Pro and the Vapor X3.7. This is just like my OG stick. I started off using the X5 Pro, but I was kind of playing like cheeks. I'm just not used to how light this stick is, so we switched back to the OG X3.7, and I didn't play as cheeks with it. This was my 3rd game in the B League. First game we had 1 goal, second game we had 2 goals, and this game, I guess you'll have to find out. Let's get right into the video.
Keep your mind on your mask, kid. Horror form a classic, it's drastic. Villain hydrochloric acid splashed it. Pull the knob, reached and blasted. Pow! Pinstripes on a basket. New York style, wow. Cheddar grab easy. It's only entertainment though, when thought out completely. Sad demeanor could get him the dropping bag cleaner. Master schemer, expert in that arena, puffin' Pasadena. He read the grass was greener. Black Beamer.
Wait, what?
Wait, no, like 100 to 100.
Dude, they were saying you're a good goalie.
I don't play. I'm a forward. I'm tired already. I ate Qdoba on the way
Already,
here.
dude?
I ate Qdoba on the way here, so
You fucked
this
up.
is all part of the strategy. Don't hit me in the stomach.
Yeah.
Snipe here, snipe there. Don't hit me in the stomach. I'm gonna shit myself. Ready, go.
Holy shit, that was nasty. Dude, what's going on? Fucking fire alarm? Woo! Nasty. No, you're good, you're good. Holy shit. You're good? I still got the assist. Secondary.
My bad. I cut your knee.
You're good, you're good. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Fuck.
I like the stick.
Don't make me get
The
up.
blade feels weird though. It's so much of a
Any of you want to play
What is
goalie,
that?
28, I think.
Tony? Tony, you want to play goalie real quick?
It was cool. I was told.
Nah, we'll end up losing the game.
Oh, my bad. No.
Oh, can see. Oh.
Wait.
Oh, can see. Oh. Oh, God. 2-0. Danny's hustling back, though. Oh, what a nasty. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Take it. Nice save. My bad, yo, you alright? Good game, guys. Good game, guys. Good game. Good game, fellas.
All right, guys, so that is the end of the game footage right there. Definitely kind of a shit show in terms of, like, the game. Typically, when I play in the B League, like, the first 2 games, it was actually super competitive. This one, I think the other team just kind of gave up on defense, which is kind of fucked up because, like, yo, if this kid's gonna, like, sub in and play goalie for you guys, who's not even a goalie, who's a forward, you guys, there's a peanut in my pocket, but it's, like, so deep in here. It's like inside of my sweatshirt, bro. There's a hole in my pocket, and a single peanut fell into the hole. So there's like a peanut in the liner of my sweatshirt, dude. This is ridiculous. Oh, it's on the inside pocket. There it is. There's the peanut. How you doing? Another thing is each team only had 6 skaters. So, like, everyone was super tired. But our team, like, we were playing hard. Like, we were trying for sure, but the other team kind of just gave up. I don't know. There was another kid on that team who was subbing for them who's a super chill kid, and he was actually trying pretty hard. But yo, so I finished this game with 1 goal and 2 assists. I fucked up on a couple breakaways. Again, you know, I suck at breakaways. If you've seen my videos, I gotta be like 3 for 17 at this point on breakaways. It's crazy, dude. I really got to find some sort of public skate and some volunteer attendee who will let me just take breakaway shots on him for an hour straight. So if you're a goalie and you want to help me out, definitely let me know. With us scoring 11 goals, I would like to have potted a couple more Genos than just 1, but, you know, I assisted on a couple. So I'll take it, bro. In the CM4HL, which is the B League, in 3 games, I have 4 goals and 2 assists. So pretty solid. That's 6 points in 3 games. I'll take it. Once again, it's Tony Sauce. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see me go live on Twitch, hit the Twitch link in the description. I'm going to be playing a lot more Hockey Ultimate Team coming up. I used to stream all the time, but I've been locking in on this hockey content. But now that we kind of got the ball rolling, I'm going to be returning to the live streams on Twitch. I'll see you guys there. Peace out.